Hey guys, what's up? I am today at CarHub. This is located at Linton Street. So, as you guys can see here, it's too sunny today, so I hope it's not. I don't think it's going to be clear. But so I am deep cleaning my car, polishing it as well. This is the before effect due to the light. So you guys can see the car is very dirty. Alright, so they're going to clean inside out completely and ensure all the minor scratches and bumps are sorted. This is how it looks right now. Its process is not started yet. They have said it will take some time. So I will keep showing you the process in short. You know, of course, it's going to take 2-3 hours, so it's not going to be that long. But yeah. Let's see what the result is. Alright.
You can see straight through my life. Oh, there's something in my chest that I can't hide. When feelings get involved, I'm terrified. 'Cause I've been here before and said goodbye. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt?
So guys, they have finished washing. Now they're going to apply the foam, as you can see.
Turn away and wrestle with my doubts. Oh, I leave them all behind, but don't know how. Bury my head deep within the crowd, but I'm reaching for your hand to pull me out. Oh, are you the one when I try to look, I wish I'd find? Oh, how can I love when I've been hurt 100 times?
Now they're done with the foam wash, and now they're degreasing the interiors of the bonnet, as you can see here. So all of this is included in the price I've already mentioned. Let's see what the result is so far. Looking good. I don't know if you guys can see, this color looks different, and after polish this area looks completely new. So you can see the difference very clearly. I hope you guys can.
Give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see.